Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the outside door handle on this 1996 Ford Ranger, same as any 93 to 97 Ranger, and similar for quite a few different Fords that use the rivet-on outside door handle. Tools you'll need for this repair: flat blade screwdriver, a T20 Torx driver, Phillips screwdriver, a high-speed drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, 2 bolts and lock nuts, and a appropriate size socket, ratchet, and wrench for those lock nuts and bolts.
You're actually going to kind of go right in behind and screwdriver, pry out lightly. And you can see this comes out. You want a T20 Torx screwdriver.
Okay, we'll fast forward as you remove that screw and take that crank handle off.
Okay, underneath here you can see there's 2 Phillips screws. Okay, you'll want a smaller #1 screwdriver.
Okay, and fast forward again as we remove those 2 Phillips screws.
Okay, now you'll want to pull your panel right off. And another Phillips screw right here. There's a screw at the bottom of your door panel. You might have to dig through your rug a little bit to get at it. Remove it. Then you take your panel, lift it up, and it comes right off. Now, carefully pull off this water shield. Okay, back in here, you can see a rod that comes down from the handle. And a little yellow clip right there. Difficult to film. Reach in with your finger. Pull that clip off, pull that rod out. Okay, so on the handle you can see underneath there are 2 rivets. Okay, what you want is a punch, okay, and you want to punch out the center of the rivet. Now you can see on the right hand one I've punched out the center, and I'll do that one for the left. Now using a 1/4 inch drill bit, you want to drill nice and slow right in the center of each rivet. At this point I can just kind of break the rivets right off with the screwdriver. That rod comes with it. Okay, old handle, new handle from 1A Auto. You're going to take this rod and kind of twist it and turn it at the same time to pull it out. And put it back into your new handle. And down like that. Clear out. Okay, this hole is clear. This hole's got a little bit of the rivet left in it. I'm just going to use a screwdriver, push that through. Okay, so what I have here is a couple of bolts with lock nuts. Not ideally what I want. Actually, the washers are a little too big, but they'll work just fine. I'm going to put this down in. Okay, put the handle in. Okay, before I bolt anything together, just make sure that that rod is free and you can get it close to the clip where it has to go. Okay. The bolts through. Put them both through first. Right now I'm just putting the bolts through the handle. Okay. Put them through the door. One dropped out, that's alright. Open up the door. And just reach up in behind. Put that bolt through. Okay, put the nut on the other side. Start it on there. Now we can put our other bolt right through. Same thing. Hold it in the door handle. Start it on there. Okay. Now I'm going to put a socket and ratchet on that side, hold the inside with the wrench. Let's see, there it is. Tighten up firm. Another bolt. Okay, a little difficult to film here, but reach in. Put this rod back in place.
Quick note, when you're clipping this rod in, make sure you're pushing it up towards the door handle. That kind of preloads it. If you test your door afterwards and it doesn't open the door, first make sure it's unlocked, but then check. If you haven't pushed this up far enough, then your handle won't activate the latch. Put the door panel back on. Put on up and over your door lock here first. And then kind of push it into place and down. Okay, let's put this screw in first. There's a little wind-up tab right down here. Make sure that goes in. And fast forward through putting those two Phillips screws back in. You want to tighten those firm, but don't over tighten them.
Okay. A little washer on the window crank tool. Put that in place. T20 Torx screw.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.